Hi, I'm Damian and welcome to ReBuilding Burnout. If you've just clicked through to this link because you suspect that burnout might be affecting you right now, I need you to understand that you might be in real danger. Why do I use the word danger? It's simple, because I was in exactly the same situation, knowing that I felt mentally and physically exhausted and not ready to go back to work, even though I'd just taken a break. And as a result of not taking the proper time to really restructure my workload, to restructure my schedule, I got incredibly sick and then had to spend 2 years off work managing burnout. That's right, 2 years. So imagine what being away from work for an extended period of time would do to your business, particularly if you're the sort of person who can't afford to be away for a single day. As a consequence of my experience, I created ReBuilding Burnout because I know that my knowledge will really help you, can save you a lot of money, and dramatically improve your quality of life. ReBuilding Burnout draws upon my years of continued education, plus the tens of thousands of dollars that I spent on a variety of health professionals, both here and overseas. I've taken the most critical elements of science which aid your mind and your body to avoid burnout. And I've wrapped this into a dynamic program which is tailor-made for high-performing individuals who work in fast-paced environments. More importantly, I've put together a team of professionals who'll support you throughout the program. Now, there's a lot of information available on the site in regards to the program, but if you don't find what you need, please feel free to give me a call. I'd welcome the conversation. And in the meantime, I want to wish you great health, wealth, and above all else, happiness. Bye for now.